In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change PayPal primary currency. If you use PayPal for sending, receiving, or holding money in more than one currency, setting the correct primary currency can help keep your account organized and make it easier to manage balances. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can update that setting quickly. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to your account homepage. Once you're signed in, look near the top of the screen for the wallet option. Go ahead and click on Wallet. This is the section where PayPal stores your payment methods, balances, and currency settings, so it's the right place to make this kind of change. After you're in the wallet area, find the list of currencies connected to your account. Next to the currency you want to make your primary one, look for the three-dot menu. This is the small options icon beside that currency. Click on the three dots to open the available actions for that balance. If you have several currencies listed, take a second to make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. From that menu, click on Make Primary. This tells PayPal that you want this selected currency to become the default one for your account. In many cases, your primary currency is the one PayPal uses first in certain transactions, so it's worth double-checking your choice here. Once you click Make Primary, PayPal will take you to a confirmation screen. On this page, click Set as Primary to finalize the change. This is the final confirmation step, and once you select it, your account's primary currency will be updated. After that, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and verify that the correct currency now appears as your primary one in the wallet section. If it does, then the change was successful. If you don't see the option right away, try refreshing the page or returning to the Wallet tab to confirm the update. And that's it. As you can see, changing your PayPal primary currency only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. Just open Wallet, use the three-dot menu beside the currency you want, choose Make Primary, and then confirm by clicking Set as Primary. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your PayPal settings quickly and confidently.